Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to indent. So as example, I will create text with the paragraph code. You can create a paragraph here. And the next you can create the text objects. I will set into Visual Studio Code. I can save. And I will open in browser. So we have this text in the left, and if you want to create indents, you can go back to the Visual Studio Code and then click in the P here, space, and you can type style. The next you can type text indent, and like example I will use the pixel, so you can set into like 30 pixel, and then you can save. Now if you refresh the browser, the text will be indents with the 30 pixels. So we'll change again, slide into 100 pixels. You can type 100. And you can click file, save again. Now you can view in the browser. It will be indent into 100 points. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to indent.